Yeah, that's why I don't need no light. Cause I got all that. There you go.
They lit here in Vegas. Yeah. Brandon, Nature Boy, TKO, the new Drip Angel, your girl, Armani. The comments is going bananas. So they out here, Nature Boy visiting Vegas and Brandon, and then they and the TKO live here. They lit.
Yeah. Gang.
Whoa.
This is right here, bro. This is.
What's up, Brandon?
Ah, shit, yeah. That was playing.
Brandon, link up with your boy, Brandon.
That's funny. Yeah. All right, let's get it.
Look at Brandon.
Let's get it.
With the thigh pockets. Hands on my knees with my thigh shit.
That's a good idea. Can all the women take a picture together? Without the fellas up in it? If they have your permission, Chief. Can all the girls take a picture with each other? Okay. All right. Yeah, all the girls, go ahead. All
Respectfully.
The girls take a picture with just the girls together. Who got the phone so we can take? No. Give your phone to somebody so you can take a picture with it.
Oh, that's no.
That's gonna be dope.
Why you put them in the driver's seat? Put them in the back.
You mind taking pictures of just the girls and sending them to me? All right, we're just waiting for you. Come on.
Oh, look at them shoes.
What did I just say?
Oh, I see you, TKO, getting her ass. Niggas ain't shit. Look, he got it again. He liked that ass. And again. And one more time for the roll. Hey, I already knew. What's up, Nature Boy?
I take our screenshots. Beautiful.
Now get closer. Get up on that ass.
Yeah, get up in there.
That's nice.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes.
Gang.
Go, Nuno. Go, Imani.
Okay. And it's an Amber Alert. Somebody missing their baby mama. All right, let's go. I've missed it. Let's get it.